How to cancel your Jasper AI subscription step by step. So the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into any of your browsers, search for Jasper AI, get into jasper.ai, or you can use the application version if you want to, that's up to you. Just make sure that you are logged into your account, right? Simply tap on that login and then simply add in all of the credentials of your account. Make sure that you're logged into your account, then you'll be able to get into Jasper's dashboard, right? So after getting into the dashboard, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar that you'll be able to see on the top right corner right here. So just like this, you'll be able to see menu bar on your dashboard. Tap on that one, and then in here, if you do like I said, if you do are logged into your account and if you do have the Jasper AI subscription, you'll actually be able to see the option of users and billing. What you're going to do is simply tap on that option, users and billing, and then from there you'll actually be able to see the cancel subscription option. If you scroll all the way down, what you're going to do is simply tap on that cancel subscription option, and then from there you can follow all of the on-screen prompt that you'll be able to see. Simply follow all of that prompt, and just like that, you'll actually be able to successfully cancel your Jasper AI subscription.